Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
kmplayer. It is a free application which you can use for playing your videos and audios in your PC or Mac or in your Android device with no ad support. So it's total free. You can check it out. It's a very nice and clean application for playing different kind of videos. Support AVI, MPEG, TS, MKV, MP4, WAV, MOV, P, 3CP, FLV, and much more audio format also. The link of the application is in my description box. You can check it out. You can download for 32-bit, 64-bit or Mac and Android, or you can download the APK from here. Okay, I have already downloaded the Windows version. Let's start installing the PC and try and see how the interface is. Click OK, agree, and you can click next. Now you can click finish. So if I want to play something, I can click here and go to file. So I have my videos, suppose this one, play. Okay, you can use full screen mode or you can use like this. It is like VLC. Okay, it's look good. Also, you can put the URL from the YouTube or Instagram or Facebook to download videos from online. Here is a setting for contrast, brightness, and you can reset here full screen. You can see the effects, sharpness, all those things. It is a pretty nice player which support all kind of audio and video file. You can download and try in the PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.